sithokoze i-opportunity esiyitholile ukuthi sibize la namhlanje. Thina si-company ephuma e-base kaMhlanga. We are doing films eMpumalanga, the entire province. We travel around, we scout, even abafuna uku-actor. So the purpose ukuthi size namhlanje, ne, is to invite you guys abane content, whatever content onayo, or mhlambe somebody that you know on a content. Nge 5 zika July, Silai Civic Theatre, we are opening a screening. Ne? It's for the first time sizoba a screening like this in Mpumalanga. Si support the National Film Foundation. Ne? They are the ones who are sponsoring our project. So we wanted to share with you guys on how to access the fund.
Again, Lochani, Dumelang, Nalikai, Kelelevo Minakai. Yes, I talk about the man Mawachile and normally, good family, good career guidance stuff and stuff. I wouldn't say good to come career guidance. Given a band of Nam Dali Kenje, Bazoni Kotel and Gendole Esienza, and we know with a lot of you love this acting thing. So I go to my career guidance to Nani, Ninigelo, Omundu, Ozon Kutaza. Just by seeing us coming to you, I know you get motivated. Gandhi, Abanda, reachable. So, any purpose you balangile. And another one is to thank you guys for your undying support. You supported us through and through. And we're very much proud of you. And we love you. We love you. We love you too. We love you for that. You guys are the reason why we keep going. Né? So, support and jalo. Like, but I'm a date Latino. What we are letting a speaker. 5 July, Civic Theatre, 5 July. But you QR code to get in our old school. We have a problem with these things. Bajo uzala we are tinrega and behind that to tolako kokfunago gets in the system. Please keep on putting nothing the in AI or IT or in no there is name cool. So good support even further. We love you, Shatogozane. Have a lovely day. And then pass, ne? Ne pass when I'm sin Fiselo Gute. Tell again.
Lochan. Dumelang. All right. I'm happy to be here today, and I really appreciate the support that you give us. Yes, 5 July Rabua, but now Aretle Moskolongmo, Reagai, Reago Civic Theatre. So we would like to have you guys there, little supporter, then learn our supporter. Come home, if you are a content creator, scan QR and then you will get all the information. Then maybe you can send your information there. Okay, I did 1, 2, 3. Maybe 5 whatever that we rang go screening says go big screen. Here is an opportunity. Please take it and fly with it. We love you and we appreciate your support, and we would like you to come and support us. Like the 29th of August, we launch a movie called Sabotage. I'm lead role on that movie. Please come support Little Bogala. So every information in Linyagang eating more QR code. So please come support. Learn our support. We love you. Thank you very much. And April.